People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation, people. So yo, news coming out of Jamaica, gunman and police in a shootout to the people in Kingston on Old Hope Road. Yeah man, people, you hear that? Gunman and police John in a middle of the day, you know, people. The shootout took place, you know. Yeah man, people, in the middle of the day, them man are lawless, now have no respect for authority, people. But me I go read, you know, an article from the Jamaica Observer that detailed what happened today. You see me, people? I'm going to tell you know what happened. I'm going to tell you in my own words what I've been seeing and hearing on social media. You see me, people? Yeah man, so it goes on to say at least 2 men were shot during a confrontation with police in the vicinity of Abbey Court on Trafalgar Road in St. Andrew shortly after midday today, while others are on the run following the incident. But me just go update, you know, on that one, people. So 2 men were actually shot and killed, while the third suspect was apprehended shortly after. Police reports are that the men who were traveling in a Toyota Axio motorcar were intercepted along the roadway following their alleged involvement in a robbery and murder in the parish this morning. Your karma come quick. Reports are that the men fatally shot a businessman at 74 Old Hope Road in the vicinity of Swallowfield and were making their escape.
Man say you them take him gun, lights a firearm holder. The man who dead. Some of them lights a firearm.
So what they do? How they do?
Nobody know you know you're a one shot boy and run out, but a one shot a head shot.
The subsequent shootout with police, which took place in the full view of motorists at the intersection of Trafalgar Road and Hope Road, was captured on video. 2 police officers can be seen with firearms as several bursts of loud explosions are heard. One of the lawmen took cover behind a motorcar as the shots rang out. After the exchange of gunfire, a man can be seen crawling on the ground. The number of men involved in the attack is uncertain at this time. However, reports reaching Observer Online are that one was found on the Abbey Court compound when the shooting subsided. The section of the roadway from Paul's to YMCA was subsequently blocked to facilitate investigations, people. So yeah, people, that's what actually took place today. And I'm going to read, you know, what the Jamaica Constabulary Force had to say about this. They made a post on their Instagram account earlier today, people. It goes on to say the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, can confirm that 2 illegal firearms were seized. 2 gunmen were shot and killed, while another has been taken into custody at the intersection of Hope Road and Trafalgar Road in St. Andrew shortly after midday. The 3 men were reportedly traveling in a white Toyota Axio motorcar that is suspected to have been involved in the shooting death of a man in Swallowfield, St. Andrew earlier today. The murder of the man was reported to the Police Emergency Communication Center, which then used the Jamaica eye technology to swiftly mobilize members of the Metropolitan Quick Response Team. The motor vehicle was intercepted at the intersection, and while the police sought to apprehend them, the suspects engaged the police team in a firefight. Investigations into today's incidents are in the early phases, and more information will be shared with the public at an appropriate time. So yeah, people, all of that took place today. So basically, these men went and robbed, shot and killed a businessman and trying to make their escape. They were located by the Jamaica Eye, which is like some form of video camera set up throughout the corporate area that can watch and see what go on. The Toyota Axio car that they were traveling was spotted on the Jamaican Eye, and police intercepted the car, people. And once they intercepted it, they tried to apprehend the man, as I said earlier. And then decide, say, yo, they're not turning themselves in, they're shooting them way out of it. And the police returned fire. And 2 men was killed, 1 was apprehended. And you have to really commend the Jamaica Constabulary Force for a job well done, people, because in the videos that I'm going to post, people, I'm going to post like different videos of what happened today at the end of what I'm talking about right now. So I'm going to put videos at the end showing you, different angles of what took place. And as me say, people, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, them handled the matter well, because a lot could have went wrong, people, because in the videos you're gonna see that a lot of crossfire could have happened. You see me? Because there was police to the front of the car, police to the side of the car, police to the back of the car. So bullets flying from all angles, and this is midday, people. So traffic is thick, traffic is up there in numbers, and me glad say no innocent bystanders, no innocent motorists never get shot. You see me, people? So once again, commend the Jamaica Constabulary Force for a job well done. So people, check out the videos them and leave some comments. Let me know when you think about this. And once again, me say good job by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Big up in yourself. You see me, people? Much love.
Yeah, man, I want them on the ground too. Yeah, man, I want them on the ground.
You know the car?
Run at the back of the van there, so. So them a throw him in the Jeep there. Yeah, man, I want gone over Abbey Court. So them a throw him in the Jeep there.
You don't know them. I don't know why I'm run up with. You don't know them. Shot.
Yeah, man, 2 of them, man. Yeah, man, one of them gone over Abbey Court.
No, but the one that was gone about it, they hold him down.
Mass shooting and killed 10 people at a Boulder supermarket on March 22.
A group of men driving a white Axio went to a business place on Shootout Road where they shot and robbed the owner of the business. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Once the police got the report, they went in pursuit of these individuals, and with the help of the Jamaica High cameras, they made contact with the men in the vicinity of Hope Road, where a shootout ensued. The men fired at the police, and during the process, a police service vehicle was damaged, and at the end of the shooting, 2 of the 3 men were found with gunshots. 2 firearms were seized. We understand that one of the firearms is actually one that was robbed from the businessman that was killed. But we have to commend the quick response of the police that were actually in the area, coupled with the technology that they were able to apprehend these persons within minutes of committing this robbery and murder.